All right, I've been trying to document my journey, and I think I should be doing better than that. But I realized that it's the end of a 30-day challenge that I did, and it was where you have to produce some kind of content, whether it was like a blog or video or something like that. And you had to hand it in for a month, so that's a piece of content a day basically. And the weekends was hard for me because I'm a single mom, and of course it's the month of October, and we're always doing stuff for Halloween. So you might be saying, well, you didn't have to do that with her, but I wasn't going to make her suffer for something that I was doing. So we still kept the momentum with the Halloween going, but during the week I would have to do two extra, which me is usually videos because I do YouTube. And I look a little rough right now because I think I'm getting sick and I can't breathe. But I was telling my friend Jake, I think we did it to ourselves because we, most of us was up really late. We weren't getting the sleep that we're supposed to. That's my cat opening blinds. He thinks they're toys. But anyways, but I was like, we're not getting the sleep that we were supposed to be getting, that we should have got, because we were all, going off just a little bit of sleep. And then I know I wasn't eating right because I would be in a hurry. I never, all month, I didn't even stop really to eat. I'm hypoglycemic, so I had to eat. So I would just hurry up, grab something, and then, bring it back to my computer or whatever and eat, which isn't really good. So I'm pretty sure I'm speaking for Jake too. I said we did it to ourselves, but that's okay. But I wanted to get on here and say that it was worth it. It was awesome. I have learned so much. Am I going to put out that much from here on out? No. I know there's a lot of people who's like, keep up the momentum, and I know my friend Jonathan's going to, yeah, it's a proud of you. Yeah, me no. I'll do 3 videos a week. But I didn't have time to really do anything else. I fell behind on my email list, and geez, I could tell you a whole bunch of stuff. But I'm proud of myself because, which they had winners announced, and I didn't win anything. But it was a big joke that I was telling my mom, like, if I won a T-shirt, I'd be excited just to win a T-shirt. But none of my little group won, but we did win. We won. We won so much because it was a big deal for us to do this. We've learned from each other. We've learned from everybody in our group, and I mean our group. I mean by which we have a group, but by it was like a traffic group for Legendary Marketer, and we became friends with a lot of people in there, and they've decided to keep the group going, which I am so excited. That's awesome, and sorry, and but I just wanted to do this video because if you're going through this video and you go back and watch it and you're like, how did she get to where she's going? What did she go through? Well, we've all been through some good stuff and some bad stuff. And I'm not going to lie, this challenge kicked my butt. Literally. It was so hard for me. I didn't, I could, oh my gosh. I could tell you all about it. But it was hard. I'm not going to lie and say that, oh, it was easy. It wasn't that big of a deal. It was very hard. And I am so sleep deprived. My eyes, I think I have pink eye. At first, I thought I was just like asleep or just getting sick. But it really hurts. So that's why I look a little rough. And I have to say that I don't think that I probably would have done this. My daughter's Chihuahua. I would have made it through this challenge, these 30 days that I'm talking about, that we had to produce all this content. Jacob, I'm always thinking Jacob, and I'm always thinking Chris. But I especially want to say thank you to Ben and Jonathan and Jake. I don't want to forget anybody. Ben, Jonathan, Jake, Jackie. Ben, Jonathan, Jake, Jackie. I'm for Scott. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry, Scott. I love you. See, there I go. I told you I love you again. But I don't think that I could have made it without those guys, because I feel like those guys are my team. And we kind of helped each other and pushed each other to get through it. And I was sitting, I'm not going to cry. I was sitting and I was actually in my floor after I watched the I'm not going to cry on a video. After I had watched the contest winners and everything, and I sat here and thought about it, I'm like, but I have an awesome YouTube channel. I had never blogged before, and I had planned on doing it, and I never would have done it. I'm not going to lie. I am not the best writer. But, I learned how to do it, and I learned a lot about it. I learned more with their teachings, because I kind of knew YouTube. But I have a ton of videos now, and a bunch of subscribers, and I built the relationships. So I'm a huge winner. I'm a huge winner, and I thank you. I thank everybody who has helped me grow my YouTube channel, and that the people that I listed, because you are awesome and you rock. And if you're watching this video tomorrow, or you're watching this video a couple years from now, or whatever, know not to give up. You can do it. And there are challenging times that you're going to go through. But when it's said and done, it's so worth it. It really, really is. And there's a lot of different ways that you could look at it. A completely different perspective, as Jackie said this morning to our group. So that's really all I wanted to get on here and say. So thank you guys. Love you.